hi, good evening.
Hello, hi, good evening.
Yes, welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, I can.
Oh, that's great. Is this Taka?
Yes,
Oh, nice to meet you today, Taka-san.
nice to meet you too.
How are you doing today, Taka?
I'm today I I studied
Wow.
and yeah, and I didn't go outside.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah, okay. Wow. So just studied today.
yes,
Okay. Oh, it's Sunday, right? It's day off.
yeah,
It's day off today.
yes, it is.
Okay. All right. Thank you for
Mhm.
that. Now I can see here you chose Grammar Beginner 11. Is that right?
Mm, yes, it
Mm-hmm.
is.
Okay, so today's lesson is number 11, and the
Mhm.
title is Who Makes Dinner at Home? Okay, please
Okay.
read the title.
Who title? Who makes dinner at home?
Yes, very good. And also, please check today's goal.
To be able to talk about who, where in the simple present tense.
Okay, that's right. Now let's move on to today's phrase. So please
Mhm.
repeat after me twice, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's start. Who makes dinner at home?
Who makes dinner at home?
Okay, one more time. Who makes dinner at home?
Who makes dinner at home?
All right, next is I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the new words or expressions. Please check the direction here.
Okay, listen and repeat after your teacher.
All
Okay.
right. Okay, so let's start to listen to US pronunciation. Okay,
Mhm.
so
Okay.
please listen and repeat after the audio. Okay, let's start with the first one. Here we go.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Yes, it's an adjective. It means very pleasant to taste. Okay, please read the sample sentence.
This is really delicious.
Very good. Let's have the next.
How to.
How to?
How to, it's a phrase. It means to use to tell the way or the method of doing something. Please read the sentence.
He teaches people how to cook Italian food.
Mm, do you like Italian food?
I love Italian
Oh,
food.
really? That's nice.
Yes,
Okay.
I like pizza
Wow.
and lasagna.
Yes, yes, that's true.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
pizza. Let's have the next. Here we go.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. It's a verb. It means to take pleasure in something. Please read the sentence.
He enjoys it.
That's right. Next.
Envy.
Envy.
Envy. It is also a verb. It means to feel a desire to have what someone else has. Okay, please read the sentence.
I envy you.
And the last one.
Either.
Either.
Either. It's an adverb. It means in addition. It is used after a negative statement. All right, please read the
Okay.
last sentence.
My husband doesn't cook at home either.
Oh, okay. All right, so we're done with new words or expressions. Do you have any questions so far?
For I know I don't have any question.
All right, so let's move on to the short conversation part. Please check the directions here.
Okay, lead the following conversation with your teacher.
Okay, so we have a role play here, and we will also read the conversation together. But first, let's listen to the audio. All right,
Okay.
let's dive in. Here we go.
Sarah and her friend Lydia are eating lunch at Lydia's husband's restaurant.
This is really delicious. I love it.
Thank you. My husband teaches cooking classes too.
Really? Where does he usually have classes?
Here, he teaches students how to cook Italian food in this restaurant. He enjoys it.
I envy you because my husband never cooks.
Mine never cooks at home either.
No way. Who makes dinner at home then?
I do.
Okay. All right. So the next is we're going to read the conversation together, okay?
Okay.
All right. So please repeat after me. Let's start.
Mhm.
Sarah and her friend Lydia are eating lunch at Lydia's husband's restaurant.
Sarah and her friend Lydia are eating lunch at Lydia's husband's restaurant.
This is really delicious. I love it.
This is really delicious. I love it.
Thank you. My husband teaches cooking classes too.
Thank you. My husband teaches cooking classes too.
Really? Where does he usually have classes?
Really? Where does he usually have classes?
Here, he teaches students how to cook Italian food in this restaurant. He enjoys
Here.
it. Sorry, there's another.
Sorry, yeah. Here, he teaches students how to cook Italian food in this restaurant. He enjoys it.
I envy you because my husband never cooks.
I envy you because my husband never cooks.
Ha ha ha! Mine never cooks at home either.
Mine never cooks at home either.
No way! Who makes dinner at home then?
No way. Who makes dinner at home then?
I do.
I do.
All right, that was great. Okay, so this time let's do the role play. It will be
Okay.
more livelier this time, okay?
Alright.
So I'll be Sarah and you'll be Lydia. Are you ready?
Yes, lady.
Okay, so let's start. This is really delicious. I love it.
Thank you. My husband teaches cooking classes too.
Really? Where does he usually have classes?
Here, he teaches students how to cook Italian food in this restaurant. He enjoys it.
I envy you because my husband never cooks.
Mine never cooks at home either.
No way. Who makes dinner at home then?
I do.
Okay, all right, let's switch the role. So this time will be Sarah, I'll be Lydia, okay?
Okay,
Mhm.
this is really delicious. I love it.
Thank you. My husband teaches cooking classes too.
Really? Where does he usually have classes?
Here, he teaches students how to cook Italian food in this restaurant. He enjoys it.
I envy you because my husband never cooks.
Mine never cooks at home either.
No way. Who makes dinner at home then?
I do. Okay, very good. That was nice.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, congratulations. Yeah, that was really great with feelings and emotions. Yes. Okay, so do you have any questions so far with the conversation?
Yeah, it's okay.
All right, so now let's
Yeah.
continue. Let's move on to the question part. Now, please check the
Okay.
directions here.
Now answer the following questions about the story.
Right, so we have 3 questions about the story. So let's start with number 1. Where does Lydia's husband have his cooking classes?
Um, Lydia's husband teaches his restaurant.
So
Um,
in his restaurant, right? Yes.
Yes.
So you can also say he has his cooking classes in his restaurant.
He has his cooking classes in his restaurant.
That's right. Okay, let's have the second question. Does he like teaching students?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he
He,
does. Very good. Yep. Are you saying something?
oh no, yes, he does. He
Yes.
enjoys it.
He enjoys it. Yes, that's right. All right, and the last one. Who makes dinner at Lydia's home?
Uh, Lydia, Lydia makes dinner at home.
Why?
Why? Because Lydia's husband didn't. Lydia's husband doesn't make dinner at home.
Yes. Never, right? Never cooks at
Yeah.
home. Okay.
Never. Okay.
Yes. How about you? Who cooks at
Uh,
home?
yes, I do. I make dinner at
Wow.
home.
Oh, you are a
Yeah.
good cook as well. Wow. It's good.
Yes.
That's
Yeah. And
nice. That's nice.
how about you? You
Sometimes.
sometimes.
Sometimes,
Okay.
yes, but most of the
Uh,
time, my wife
mm,
cooks
that's,
dinner,
yeah.
lunch. Yeah, sometimes
That's good.
I cook or prepare our breakfast. Yep.
Oh, the
Yes,
breakfast?
yes, yes.
Oh,
Because
that's great.
yeah, because that time she's still working.
Mm-hmm.
You know our situation. We're both working at home actually.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
but her schedule is she's working in a call center, so she's
Mm-hmm.
schedule is at night. So yeah,
Oh,
in the morning she's still working because she
okay.
started working in the evening till morning. So I have to
Oh,
prepare for the breakfast.
oh,
And
yeah.
then
I see.
yeah, and then after that she will
Mm-hmm.
like cook for lunch. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, that's what we do.
okay. Yeah.
All right. Okay, now let's move on to the exercise part. Okay, please check the directions here.
Okay. Look at the following pictures and arrange the words to complete the sentences.
That's right. So you're going to arrange the words.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, so look at the picture and let's start
Mhm.
with the first one. Please arrange these words to make a sentence.
Okay. Who makes lunch?
That's right. Yes, who makes lunch? So the answer of the teacher is the mother does. How about the next sentence? Please arrange it again.
Okay. Where does she make lunch?
Where does she make lunch is correct. She makes a lunch at home. Okay, very good. Let's
Mm.
have the second picture. Okay?
Second picture.
All
Okay.
right.
Oh.
So, please arrange one more time.
Okay. Where do they where do they usually eat?
That's correct. Where do they usually eat? So, the answer is they usually eat at Jay's restaurant. Okay. And
Okay.
next, please arrange it again.
Who drinks wine?
Who drinks wine is correct. They both do. Okay, good job
Okay.
again. Let's have the next picture.
Okay. Where do they live?
Where do they live is correct. They live in Hawaii. Okay, next.
Wow.
Wow, yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. And
Yeah, I want to go there too. Yeah.
okay.
All
And
right.
who drives? Who usually drives the car?
That's right. So who usually drives the car is correct. So the boyfriend does. Yes, and the last picture. Please
Okay.
arrange the words.
Oh, okay. Where where do they have the birthday party?
Wow, that was many words, but you did it right. Very good. And
Yeah.
The answer is they have the birthday party at Katie's house. Okay, it's gonna be the last one. Please arrange it.
Okay, who enjoys the party?
Yes, that was the easiest part.
Mhm.
Okay, so perfect.